Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 8, chapter 2, unit 1, equations. In the previous lecture, we have solved the questions regarding equations. Now continue with the same. The question is, divide 56 into 2 parts such that 3 times the first part exceeds 1/3 of the second by 48. The parts are, divide 56 into 2 parts. Divide 56 into 2 parts such that 3 times the first part exceeds. So 3 times the first part. So one part is, first part is x. So that 3 times the first part. So 3x, we can write 3x exceeds 1/3 of the second by 48. First part is x, so another is, yani second part is 56 minus x, or you can also write x plus y is equal to 56. So one part is x, so y is equal to 56 minus x. Here, divide 56 into 2 parts such that 3 times the first part exceeds 1/3 of the second by 48. So 3x is 3x is equal to y by 3 plus 48. 1/3 of the second by 48. 1/3 of the second, yani y by 3 plus 48. So you can write 3x minus y by 3 is equal to 48. So put the value of y. Here y is equal to 56 minus x. So 3x minus 56 minus x by 3 is equal to 48. So 3 3s are 9x minus 56 minus plus x by 3 is equal to 48. So 9x plus x, 10x minus 56 is equal to 48 into 3. 3 multiplied with 48. So 10x is equal to 3 8s are 24, 4, 2. 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 144 plus 56. So 10x is equal to 200. So x is equal to 200 by 10. 10 0 0 cancel, so 20. So x is equal to 20. So one part is 20. So here put the value of x into this y. Y is equal to 56 minus 20. 56 minus 20 means 36. So we can get x y two parts. So value is 20, 36. First part is 20 and second one is 36. So answer A is right answer. Now move to the next slide. Simultaneous linear equations into unknowns. The general form of a linear equations into unknowns. Consider x and y is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a and b are coefficients, non-zero coefficient. A and b are non-zero coefficient and c is constant. Two such equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Same way a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. From a pair of simultaneous equation in x and y, value for each unknown which satisfies simultaneously both the equations will give the roots of the equations. Method of solution. Elimination method. First method is elimination method. In this method, two given linear equations are reduced to a linear equation in one unknown by eliminating one of the unknowns and then solving for the other unknown. Let's see example. Solve 2x plus 5y is equal to 9. 3x minus y is equal to 5. Two linear equations are given. 2x plus 5y is equal to 9 and 3x minus y is equal to 5. You can easily understand by this example what is elimination method is. So 2x plus 5y is equal to 9 is equation number 1. 3x minus y is equal to 5, equation number 2. So by making 1 multiply with 1, equation 1 multiply with 1, and 2x plus 5y is equal to 9. We will get 2x plus 5y is equal to 9. By making equation 2 multiply with 5, because we have to eliminate the one of the unknowns. So multiply with 5. 5 3s are 15x. 5 minus 5 into y. So minus 5y. 5 5s are 25. Now 2x plus 5y is equal to 9 and 15x minus 5y is equal to 25. Here we eliminate the y or take addition. 2 plus 15x 17x. 9 plus 25 is equal to 34. So x is equal to 34 by 17. 17 2s are 34. So x is equal to 2. Put the value of x into equation number 1, either equation number 1 or equation number 2, and you can solve easily this equation and get the value of y. So put this value 3x minus y is equal to 5. So 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6 minus 5 is equal to 5. So 6 minus 5 is equal to y. So we get y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So the answer is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Now second method is cross multiplication method. Let two equations be. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We write the coefficient of x and y and constant term. Here coefficient of x and y in first equation coefficient is a1 b1. C1 is constant, and in next second equation A2 and B2 coefficient, C2 constant. So first write 1 2 3 4 B1 C1 B2 C2. Here A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. First 4x, hide this side and write B1 C1 B2 C2. B1 C1 B2 C2. Same way A1 B1, A1 B1, 4 constant, hide this side C1 C2. So get A1 B1 A2 B2. 4y, hide this and you will get C1 A1 C2 A2, C1 A1 C2 A2. So write the result is given by x upon, here this term is by mistake, this term is written, so we correct it by writing B1 C1 minus B2 C2, y upon C1 A2 C2 A1. So C1 A2 minus C2 A1. 1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So the solution is here x is equal to B1 C1 minus B2 C2 is equal to 1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Equalize the x upon B1 C1 minus B2 C2 is equal to 1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So we will get the value of x. So x is equal to B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Here cross multiply B1 C1 minus B2 C2 with 1. Here multiply B1 C1. So x is equal to B1 C1 minus B2 C2. Sorry, here is B1 C2 minus B2 C1. B1 C2 minus B2 C1. B1 C2 minus B2 C1. C2 minus B2 C1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Same way y upon C1 A2 minus C2 A1 is equal to 1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So value of y is equal to C1 A2 minus C2 A1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Now solve the example. 3x plus 2y plus 17 is equal to 0. 5x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Method of elimination. So equation 1 is 3x plus 2y plus equation number 1 and 5x minus 6y minus 9 is equation number 2. By equation 1 multiply with 3. 3 3s are 9x plus 3 2s are 6y. 6y both are same. So we get the unknown 9x plus 6y plus 17 into 3, 51 is equal to 0. Adding 1 and 2. So here 3 3s are 9x plus 3 2s are 6y plus 51 is equal to 0. 5x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. 6y minus 6y cancel. 9 plus 5, 14x plus. So 51 minus 9, 42 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 42 by 14 minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. Putting x is equal to minus 3 in equation 1, we get 3 minus 3 plus 2y plus 17 is equal to 0. 3 3s are 9 minus 9. 17 minus 9 minus 9 plus 2y plus 17 is equal to 0. 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. So 2y is equal to minus 8. So y is equal to minus 8 by 2. 2 4s are 8. So y is equal to minus 4. So answer is x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to minus 4. Now we are using cross multiplication method. Here two equations, 3x plus 2y plus 17 is equal to 0 and 5x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Here a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 2 and c1 is equal to 17. Same way a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 for equation 2, equation number 1 and equation number 2. a2 is equal to 5, b2 is equal to minus 6 and c2 is equal to minus 9. So here write x means cross multiplication of x divided by 2 minus 9 and minus 6 into 17. 2 minus 9 minus 17 minus 6. So x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y upon 17 a2. It means c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now put all the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2 and c2 into this. So x upon 2 minus 9 minus 17 minus 6 is equal to y upon 17 into 5 minus 3 into minus 9 is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 6 minus 5 into 2. So x upon 2 9s are 18 minus 18 minus plus 17 6 are 102. 102 minus 18. So 84. 102 minus 18. 17 5s are 85 minus plus 27. 85 plus 27 112. 3 6 are minus 18 minus 5 2s are 10 minus 28. So x 28 threes are 84. 28 fours are 112. So write x by 3, y by 4, 1 upon minus 1. X by 3 is equal to 1 upon minus 1. So x is equal to minus 3. And y by 4 is equal to 1 upon minus 1. So y is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 4. So y is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 3. This is the method of cross multiplication. You can use any of this method to solve this equation. Method of solving simultaneous linear equations with 3 variables. 3 variables. So let us take the example. Solve for x, y and z. Here equations are given. 3 equations are given. 2x minus y plus z is equal to 3. X plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 11. 3x minus 2y plus 4z is equal to 1. Now take the method of elimination. First, give the number equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3. To eliminating the unknown number, we have to multiply equation 1 with multiplying with 2. Equation 1 multiplying with 2. So 2 2s are 4x, 2 into y, so minus 2y, 2 into z, so plus 2z, 2 3s are 6. By equation number 2 plus equation number 4, we will get by equation number 2 and 4, adding 2 and 4, we get 5x, x plus 4x, 5x, 3y minus 2y plus y, minus 2z plus 2z cancel, minus 2z and plus 2z cancel, 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. The variable z is thus eliminated. Now equation 2 multiply with 2. So 2x plus 6y minus 4z is equal to 11 2s are 22. Now here by adding equation number 3 and equation number 6, by adding equation number 3 and 6, we will get 3x plus 2x 5x, 6y minus 2y 4y, plus 4z minus 4z eliminated. So minus 4z plus 4z cancel. So 1 plus 22 is equal to 23. By equation number 5 minus 7, so we will get equation number 5 is 5x plus y is equal to 17. 5x plus y is equal to 17, and equation number 7 is 5x plus 4y is equal to 23. Minus, so 5x minus 5x cancel, minus, so minus 3y is equal to minus 23 minus 17 minus 6. So minus 3y is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to 6 by 3. So y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 6 by 3. 3 2s are 6. So y is equal to 2. Putting y is equal to 2 in equation number 5. So 5x plus 2 is equal to 17. So 17 minus 2, 5x is equal to 17 minus 2 is equal to 15. So 5x, x is equal to 15 by 5. So x is equal to 3. Now we have two values, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So we easily find out the value of z. So putting x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 in equation number 1. So equation is 2x, so 2 into 3 minus 2 plus z is equal to 3. 2 3s are 6 minus 2 plus z is equal to 3. So 6 minus 2, 4 plus z is equal to 3. So z is equal to 3 minus 4. So z is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to minus 1 is the required solution. Any two of three equations can be chosen for elimination of one of the variables. Next, method of cross multiplication. Now we write the equations as follows: 2x minus y plus z minus 3 in the bracket z minus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3y plus minus 2z minus 11 is equal to 0. Here equation is 2x minus y plus z is equal to 3. Second one is x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 11 and 3x minus 2y plus 4z is equal to 1. 2x minus y. So compared with a1x, because we required only two equations for cross multiplication. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Same way compared equation number 2, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to minus 1, c1 is equal to z minus 3. a2 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to minus 2z minus 11. Now put into cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, the result is x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1. b1 c2, so b1 is minus 1, c2 is minus 2z minus 11 minus b2 3 and c1 is z minus 3 is equal to y upon a1 y upon a1, here y, hide y, so c1 into a2, c1 a2 minus a1 c2, a1 c2. So a2, value of a2 is 1. So 1 into c1, c1 means z minus 3, z minus 3 into 1, so z minus 3 minus 2. So value of a1 is 2 and c2 is minus 2z minus 11 is equal to 1 upon a1 for c2, hide this c1 c2, so a1 into b2, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now we will get the x upon 20 minus z minus minus plus 2z minus 11, so 2z plus 11 minus 3z minus minus plus 3 3s are 9. Here x upon 2z plus 11 minus 3z, minus minus plus 3 3s are 9. Same way for y, z minus 3 minus minus plus 2z minus minus plus 22. And for 1, 2 3s are 6, minus minus plus 1. So 2z minus 3z minus z, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 minus z, z plus 2z. Here z minus 3 minus 2 2s are 4, so 4z plus 4z, and 11 2s are 22, 4z plus z, 5z plus 22 minus 3, 19, 1 upon 6 plus 1, so 1 upon 7. So x is equal to 20 minus z by 7, and y is equal to 5z plus 19 by 7. Substituting above values, x and y values, in the equation number 3, 3x minus 2y plus yz is equal to 1, we have 3. Instead of x we write 20 minus z by 7, minus 2. Instead of y we write 5z plus 19 by 7 plus 4z is equal to 11. So 3 20s are 60 minus 3z minus 10z, 5 2s are 10z, minus 19 2s are 38, plus 7 multiply with 4, 28z is equal to 1 multiply with 7, so 7. 15z minus 10 minus 3, 13, 28 minus 13, so 15z is equal to 60 minus 38 is 22, and 7 minus 22. So 15z is equal to minus 15. So z is equal to minus 1. Put the value of z into x and y. So 20 minus z by 7. Here z is minus 1. So 21 by 7. 7 3s are 21. Same way, put the value of z into the y equation. So y is equal to 5z plus 19. Instead of z, put minus 1. Minus 5 plus 19, 19 minus 5, 14, by 7, 7 2s are 14. So y is equal to 2. So here we will get the x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to minus 1. Now next, solve for x, y and z. 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equal to 5. Here 2x, 2 upon x minus 3 upon y minus 4 upon z is equal to minus 11. 3 upon x plus 2 upon y minus 1 upon z is equal to minus 6. We can write, instead of 1 by x, u, 1 upon y, v, and 1 upon z, w. So equation becomes simple. So u plus v plus w is equal to 5 for the first equation. Equation number 1. 2u minus 3v minus 4w is equal to minus 11. Equation number 2. 3u plus 2v minus w is equal to minus 6. Equation number 3. By adding 1 and 3. By adding 1 and 3, we can eliminating the w. So 4u plus 3v is equal to minus 1. 4u plus 3v is equal to minus 1. How we get u plus v plus w is equal to 5? Adding 3, third number equation, 3u plus 2v minus w is equal to minus 6. So 3u, adding 3u plus u, 4u, v plus 2v plus 3v minus w plus w cancel, 5 minus 6, so minus 1. It becomes equation number 4. By multiplying equation 3 into 4, 3 by 4. equation multiplying, equation number 3 multiplying with 4. So we will get 3 4s are 12. So 12u plus 4 into 2 8v minus 4w is equal to minus 6 into 4, so minus 24. So equation number 5. Now what is common between equation number 2 and equation number 5? Common is minus 4w. So now subtract equation 2 minus equation number 5. So 2u minus 12u, so we get minus 10u, minus 3v plus 8v, so minus sign, so minus 3v minus 8v, so minus 11v, minus 4w plus 4w, it becomes plus because of the subtraction. So minus minus plus, so minus 4w plus 4w cancel is equal to minus 11 plus 24, 24 minus 11, so 13. Now 10u plus 11v is equal to minus 13. Now equation 4 multiplying with 11, equation 4 multiplying with 11, 11 4s are 44u plus here 44u plus 33v is equal to minus 11 by 6 multiplying, equation number 6 multiplying with 3, 10 3s are 30u plus 11 3s are 33v and 13 3s are 39 minus 39. Now subtract 44u minus 30u, so we will get 14u plus 33v minus 33v cancel, so minus 11 minus minus plus 39 minus 11, so 28. So 14u is equal to 28, so u is equal to here 14u is equal to 28, so u is equal to 28 by 14, 14 2s are 28. Putting u is equal to 2 in equation number 4, 4 into 2 plus 3v is equal to minus 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 3v is equal to minus 1. So 3v is equal to minus 9. So v is equal to minus 3. Minus 9 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. So minus 3. U is equal to 2. V is equal to minus 3 in equation 1, or 2 minus 3 plus w is equal to 5. So minus 1 plus w is equal to 5. So w is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now x is equal to 1 upon u. So value of u is 1 upon 2. U is equal to 2. So put the value of u. Y is equal to minus 1 upon v. So 1 upon minus 3. And z is equal to 1 upon w. So 1 upon 6 is the solution. So now here we are getting x, y and z. Value of x, y and z. Now next example, solve for x, y and z. xy upon x plus y is equal to 70. xz upon x plus z is equal to 84. yz upon y plus z is equal to 140. Here we can write x plus y upon xy, reciprocal of first equation. second and third. So 1 upon 70. It becomes 1 upon 70. Or here also we can write x upon xy plus y upon xy is equal to 1 upon 70. X cancel, so 1 upon y, and y cancel, so 1 upon x. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 70. Same way for xz upon x plus z is equal to 84. So x plus z, reciprocal of this, x plus z upon xz is equal to 1 upon 84. So 1 upon z plus 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 84. Y plus z upon yz is equal to 1 upon 140. So 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equal to 140. Here this is equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3. Now solve this equation by adding 1, 2 and 3. We get 2 times 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equal to 1 upon 70 plus 1 upon 84 plus 140. Now result we will get 14 upon 4, 20. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equal to 14 by 420 multiply with 2. 2 7s are 7, 6 are 60. So 1 upon 60. 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equal to 1 by 60. Now by subtract equation 4 minus equation 3. So 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 60 minus 1 upon 40 by equation 4 minus equation number 3. Here equation number 3 is here. 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equal to 140. Equation number 3 is 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equal to 140. Equation number 4 is, this is equation number 3, 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z minus 1 upon y minus 1 upon z is equal to 1 upon 60 minus 1 upon 140. So minus 1 upon y cancel, 1 upon z minus 1. So here we get 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 60 minus 1 upon 40. So answer is 4 upon 420. So x is equal to 105. By subtracting equation 4 minus equation 2, 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 60 minus 1 upon 84, 2 upon 420, so y is equal to 210. Equation 4 minus 1, so get the value of z. 1 upon z is equal to 1 upon 60 minus 1 upon 70, so z is equal to 420. So required solution is x, y and z. So x is equal to 105, y is equal to 210 and z is equal to 420. Next, choose the most appropriate option A, B, C or D. The solution of the set of equations 3x plus 4y is equal to 7, 4x minus y is equal to 3 is. Here write equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 7, equation number 1, and second one is 4x minus y is equal to 3. Now eliminating the one unknowns, so multiply with equation 1 multiply with 4. 4 3s are 12x plus 4 4s are 16y, 4 7s are 28, and equation number 2 multiply with 4 3s are, so eliminating x we required equation 2 multiply with 3. So 4 3s are 12x minus 3y, 3 3s are 9. Now adding both equations, 12x plus 16y is equal to 28. 12x minus 3y is equal to 9. Sorry, subtracting both equations. So minus, here minus and minus. 12x minus 12x cancel. 16 minus minus plus. And here 28 minus 9. So 28 minus 9, 19. Here 16 minus minus plus. So 19y. So y is equal to 19 by 19 is equal to 1. Put the value of y is equal to 1 into equation number 1. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. So 3x plus 4 into 1 is equal to 7. So 3x is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1. Here the value of x and y is 1, 1. So answer is B. Answer is B. Now move to the next question. X by p plus y by q is equal to 2. X by p plus y by q is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to p plus q are satisfied by the values given by the pair. So now first write qx plus py is equal to 2pq. X plus y is equal to p plus q. So multiplying the second equation with q, equation number 1 and equation number 2. 2 multiply with q. So qx plus py is equal to 2pq. So second equation becomes qx plus qy is equal to q into p plus q. Now use subtraction. Qx minus qx cancel. So y common, p minus q is equal to 2pq minus q p plus q. 2pq minus pq minus plus minus q square. So 2pq minus pq, pq plus pq minus q square, y p minus q. So y is equal to q common p minus q upon p minus q. P minus q cancel. So y is equal to q. Now put the value of y into second equation. So x plus q is equal to p plus q. Q cancel. So we will get the x is equal to p. So answer is x is equal to p and y is equal to q. So answer is A. Answer is A. Next, solve for x and y. 4 upon x minus 5 upon y is equal to x plus y upon xy plus 3 by 10 and 3xy is equal to 10 into y minus x. Here we can write 4y minus 5x minus 5x upon xy is equal to x plus y upon xy plus 3 upon 10, and 3xy is equal to 10 y minus x. So x plus y 10 plus 3xy upon 10xy, 4y minus 5x upon xy. Here xy cancel, 10 multiply with 4y and 5x, so 10 4s are 40y minus 50x. Here 10x plus 10y plus 3xy, so 40y minus 10y minus 50x minus 10x is equal to 3xy. 40 minus 10y 30y minus 60x is equal to 3xy. So 3 common, 10y 20x is equal to 3xy. 3 cancel. Or you can also take the same equation and put the value of 3xy. So easily we will get the answer. So cancel this one and substitute the value of 3xy from equation number 2. So 30y minus 60x is equal to 3xy. So here put the value of 3xy from equation number 2. So 30y minus 60x is equal to 10y minus into y minus x. 30y minus 60x, 10y minus 10x, 30y minus 10y, so 20y and minus 10x plus 60x, so 50x. So y is equal to 5 by 2x. Y is equal to 5 by 2x. Put the value of 5 by 2x into equation number 2. 3xy is equal to 10y minus x. Here the value of y is 5 by 2x. 3x 5 by 2x is equal to 10 5 by 2x minus x. So 3 5s are 15x square upon 2, 10 5s are 50x by 2 minus 10x. So multiply with 2, 15x square by 2 is equal to 50x minus 10 2s are 20x by 2. 2 cancel, so 15x square, 50x minus 20x, so 30x, x 1x cancel, so here 15x is equal to 30. So x is equal to 30 by 15. So x is equal to 2. Put the value of x into y is equal to 5 by 2 x. So 5 by 2 x, 2 cancel. So y is equal to 5. So answer is 2 5. Answer is 2 5. Answer is D 2 5. Now for solving this equation, first there are three equations. Xy upon x plus y is equal to 20 is given. Xy upon x plus y is equal to 20 is given. So take reciprocal of this. So x plus y upon xy is equal to 1 by 20. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 20. This is equation number 1. Same way for yz upon y plus z is equal to 40. So here we get 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equal to 1 upon 40. Equation number 2. Same way for zx upon z plus x is equal to 24. So 1 upon z plus 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 24. Now take addition of equation 1 plus equation number 2 and equation number 3, left hand side and right hand side. So we will get 2 times 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equal to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 40 plus 1 upon 24. Now take the LCM of 20, 24 and 40. So 2 tens are 2 12, 2 20, 2 5s are 2 6 are 2 10, 2 5, 2 3s are 2 5, 3 1 5 1 1, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24, 5s are. So LCM is 120. LCM is 120. So 2 times 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equal to 6 plus 5 plus 3 upon 120. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equal to 6 plus 3 9 plus 5 15. So 14. 120 into 2, 2 sevens are. So here we get 7 upon 120. Now 1 upon x plus 7 upon 120. Here we will get 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z minus 1 upon x minus 1 upon y. So equation 1 minus equation 1. This is equation number 4. So 4 minus 1. So minus 1 upon x minus 1 upon y. So 7 upon 120 minus first equation. So 1 upon 20. 1 upon 20 is equal to 7 minus 26 are 120. 120. So 1 upon 120. Here minus 1x minus 1y cancel. So 1 upon z is equal to 1 upon 120. So z is equal to 120. So z is equal to 120. Now here equation 4 minus 2. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z minus equation 2. 1 upon y plus 1 upon z is equal to 1 upon 40. So minus 1 upon y minus 1 upon z. 7 upon 120 minus 1 upon 40. Minus 1 upon y minus 1 upon z cancel. So 1 upon x is equal to 14 3s are 120. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 upon 120. So 1 upon x is equal to 4 upon 120. 4 3s are. So value of x is equal to 30. Same way, equation 4 minus equation 4 minus 3. So we will get the value of y. 1 upon z plus 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 24. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon y minus 1 upon z minus, plus 1 upon z minus 1 upon z minus 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 120 here 7 upon 1 7 upon 120 minus 1 upon 24. 24 5s are 120. Minus 1 upon z minus 1 upon x cancel. So 1 upon y is equal to 7 minus 24 5s are 5 upon 120. So 1 upon y is equal to 7 minus 5 to 120. 2 6s are. So y is equal to 60. So value of x, y, z is 30, 60 and 120. X, y, z is equal to 30, 60, 120. So answer is 30, 60 and 120. So answer is D, 30, 60 and 120. This session is over here. So next time this session is over here. So the next time we will start with the same chapter 2 and unit 1 equations. So see you soon. Bye bye.